In this video, we will learn how to make a homemade mason jar candle. To make our candle, we will need a 12-ounce mason jar, along with a 16-ounce Pyrex cup, and 16 ounces of beeswax. You may also use soy-based wax, but today we will be using beeswax. And we will also be using 9-inch wicks, which we will cut down to size, of course, but these are wicks that can be used for different size candles as well. To add some color, we will be using a yellow dye. And to add some aroma, we will be using a vanilla scented oil. And all products are available at your local craft store. We will start by adding 16 ounces of hardened beeswax in a Pyrex cup and place the Pyrex cup in a pot of hot water, which we will bring to a boil. We want the water will come to a boil, and we will want the melted wax completely melted and reaching a temperature of 175 degrees. Now this can take some time. You do want to keep your eye on the stove, but this is certainly not going to happen instantaneously. And now we are going to add our yellow dye color cubes, which do look red, but it will look yellow at the end. And we will continue to stir in our Pyrex cup of melting wax until the matte wax and the color cubes have completely melted. And we now have just over 16 ounces of melted wax, which we will now add our vanilla scented oil. And we will now pour our vanilla scented yellow melted wax into the approximately 12-ounce mason jar, and we will allow the wax to settle and harden. And while the wax is settling, we will also add our wick. So we will place the mount of the wick at the bottom and hold the wick in place with a T. And when completed, we will have a beautiful homemade mason jar candle. Thank you.